This is not just an ordinary car, it is a forgotten classic that once stood in the spotlight, but now carries the marks of time. And when I first took it in, I honestly felt a bit sorry for it.
It had almost every flaw you could imagine, but I believed that with careful restoration, it could still become the most commanding presence on the road. I dare say this will be the most satisfying and healing classic car revival you'll see this year, taking it from forgotten and ignored to the center of attention.
The engine disassembly is complete, and the usable parts are cleaned with ultrasonic washing. All parts are prepared, worn components are replaced with new ones, and everything is assembled strictly following the SOP process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. The engine assembly is complete, and now we wait to install it and start the car. The interior was full of dirt, with aged undercoating and bad odors, so this time everything will be completely cleaned to eliminate the smell for good. Now we start working on the paint. The car was originally black with a white wrap, so this time we'll repaint it completely with real white paint. The engine is lowered back onto the chassis, completing the full restoration as the body and chassis come together. From a pile of junk back to a million-level luxury car, this is the real joy for car lovers. Old cars never die, they are reborn, and a true classic will always remain a classic. Now let's see the final result. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.